Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Now let's tap on show your data here. And as you can see, right in the middle we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. And basically we've got two different ways to check some further details. So we can tap right in the middle of this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the screen time in particular days of the week. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And under it you've got a list of all used apps. Now we can go back, and the other way to check the details is to simply tap directly on the app. So let me pick the settings, and as you can see again we've got the dashboard, which will be connected only with this particular app. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. So let's get back, and basically this is how to check the total screen time, but under it we've got some ways to disconnect, and it's worth mentioning about them. So we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode and focus mode. So for example, if you need the time for yourself, you need to sleep, work, or you just want to rest from the digital world, you can simply tap, for example, on the focus mode. You can select the apps from which you're receiving most notifications, so for example Chrome and the messages, and then you can set the schedule, so you can pick particular days and the start and end time in which your device will limit the notifications from those marked apps. So I really think that this mode and those options may be quite useful if you really need to rest. Under it you've got the reduce interruptions options, and here you can enter the parental controls. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.